welcome back to another video of handy gifts. In today's video I'll be showing you all how to make this cute cake piece box. It's a box, you can see here, and you can you can pack some gift in this if it's a small gift. So I'll show you how to make this. So without wasting time, let's begin. To begin with, I have this template ready with me. You all can also get this. I'll let you all know in the end, so watch this video completely. So now we can use this template and make the box very easily. So only there are markings, so based on that we'll have to just fold it, and then the box will be ready. You'll see how it is soon, so watch the complete video. So the box is almost ready. We just have to stick it in place, and here you go, it is ready. The thing is, I have used double-sided tape. You can also use glue, whatever you have. And yes, coming to the main point, if you want this template, the link is in the description below. You can order from there. It's really very reasonable, and I loved it. You can try it out too.
Hello again, I hope you liked the video. If yes, then do give a thumbs up. And also, if you are new to the channel, do click on the red subscribe button below and also hit the bell icon so that you get to know whenever I upload new videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.